Now, former military leader in the C-A-R Alfred Yekatom is set to appear before the International Criminal Court to answer to charges on crimes against humanity. Yekatom, also known as Colonel Rambo, is accused of murder, deportation and the torture of Muslims in the Central African Republic. He will be the first among the rebel commanders to face charges on war crimes committed in the country. Yekatom, who is also a sitting MP, was arrested in the capital Bangui after firing a gun in the National Assembly during a parliamentary session. The ICC suspects Yekatom of commanding a group of around 3,000 Anti-Balaka militiamen to carry out systematic attacks against the Muslim population in the C-A-R between 2013 and 2014. Well, let's get to the very latest now on this story. CGTN's Jack Parrick joins me on the line from The Hague. Jack, of course, a very important day for the C-A-R. Has Alfred Yekatom appeared before the judges?
He has just walked into the courtroom. Just now I'm seeing on the screens just outside from the courtroom. And he is sitting for this first date in his case. Essentially, when somebody arrives and is transferred to the International Criminal Court in The Hague, they come here and they have an initial hearing where they are asked what language they would like the case to take place in, and they also have an opportunity to give a short statement themselves. At the moment, we don't have to hear him. He doesn't have to plead either guilty or not guilty to the charges against him, but the prosecution and the court will outline the charges against him, which include things we expect, like the enlistment of child soldiers, but it's all specifically related to this period between December 2013 and August 2014, when his militia are accused of systematically attacking Muslims, his Christian militia.
Incredibly serious allegations indeed. Jack, at this point, has the prosecution indicated what kind of evidence or perhaps witnesses they may bring to testify against him?
At the moment, no. That's what we expect to happen today. We expect the prosecution to outline some of the charges and how they want to proceed with this prosecuting trial. The prosecutor herself, Fatou Bensouda, when he was transferred, she did a video statement and said that essentially they believe they have enough evidence to continue with this trial. Mr. Yekatom was transferred here by the authorities in the Central African Republic for this court, the ICC, to proceed with this case. The ICC is used as a court when a country is unwilling or unable, if their judicial system doesn't deem itself able to prosecute and to go through a trial of this nature. So that's why he was transferred here, and as we know, it was a sort of crazy time when he fired shots in the parliament before he was arrested and then eventually transferred to The Hague.
Well, Jack Parrick, thank you so much for that, joining us there on the line from The Hague in the Netherlands.